Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming device compatibility and account readiness for the sync process. Make sure your smartwatch supports notifications and companion apps from the phone. Keep Bluetooth enabled on both devices so they can pair securely and reliably. Verify that both devices have at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions during setup. Open WhatsApp on the phone and remain logged in to your account for verification steps. Connect the phone to mobile data or a stable Wi-Fi network before proceeding with the companion app installation. Next, install the official or recommended companion app on your phone for your watch. Open the companion app and follow on-screen pairing instructions to connect to the watch. When prompted, grant notification access and contact permissions to allow WhatsApp alerts. Choose notification mirroring so messages appear on the watch screen when they arrive. Adjust settings to show or hide message previews according to your privacy preference. Complete the companion app setup and confirm the watch reports as connected to the phone within the app. Send a test WhatsApp message from another device and confirm it appears on the watch. Check that notifications arrive within seconds and that previews show when you enabled them. Customize vibration strength and notification tones from the companion app for better alerts on your wrist. Use Do Not Disturb settings to prevent unwanted interruptions during meetings or sleep. If notifications fail, restart both phone and watch, then repair Bluetooth to refresh the connection. As a last resort, reinstall the companion app and repeat the permission steps to restore sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.